Carabiners are a lifesaver. Just remember that. Always pack a couple. So we are at the Holiday Inn Disney Springs. Really nice location. It is within walking distance to Disney Springs. So, and it actually looks pretty empty right now. So there is a resort fee and then also a parking fee. But if you're an annual pass holder, they actually have a special that you don't have to pay for parking, which we absolutely took advantage of this time because we learned about it online. So make sure if you are an annual pass holder, you take advantage of that. So there is a parking code that you have to put in, which opens the gate and allows you to park in their parking lot. Here's the lobby area. They do also have the Holiday Inn Club Vacation, so if you need park tickets, front desk is over here. So they did have a gift store that was ran by Disney that you could have packages that you purchased at Disney in the parks actually sent to the gift store, just like an on-property resort. They did put in a CVS vending machine. However, it is out of order right now. It has different stuff. Anything from Zicam to Mucinex to nasal spray, allergy stuff. Has all sorts of stuff for you to purchase right there. However, as I said, it's out of order right now. So the elevators are in the back corner. Up at the right there is where you come in at. Yeah. And then back here is where all of the elevator banks are. There's 2 elevators and a service elevator. Now, of course, we do have the stormtroopers and social distancing spots on the floor of the elevator. They do suggest to sanitize or wash your hands. On the main floor, the lobby level, they do have sanitizing hand solution right outside the doors. Which is definitely handy. So the hotel is an open concept in the middle, so all of your rooms actually have a balcony. So if you're afraid of heights, right at the edge is not the spot to be. And then you have the view of the restaurant, which is currently closed, down in the middle of the atrium. So due to not having housekeeping, we have been asked to put our trash outside our door by 9 a.m. Now, every 3 days they do a wellness check, they're calling it, where they will clean the bathroom and sanitize everything. We tried to opt out of this just to have just no one come in our room, but it is policy, so you do have to have someone come in every 3 days. All right, so here is our king room. Now, because the wife is a member of their points program and has a credit card, we did get upgraded. The room does have a balcony, and if the fireworks were going on, we would have, well, fireworks view. However, there are no fireworks currently. So we have a lamp over here that does have a bunch of the plugs, USB and plugs, your standard phone, and a large block for USB. And little man is running around. Hey, there's little man right there. Does this meet your requirements? So we've got a large chair, another lamp at the desk with the Keurig coffee machine. We do have decaf and regular coffee and some tea. We have a large TV and water bottle. Now, unlike some of the places, they are not wrapping the remote. For the bathroom, we have a one sink, nice little vanity with all of the toilet paper and towels underneath. They are giving individual shampoo and soap and conditioner, the toilet, and a regular nice size shower with a tall shower head, which I am about 6 foot tall, so I appreciate that a great deal. And straight in from the front desk, they also have a bar. They do have a limited menu right now. Instead of eating at the restaurant, which is right over there, you're able to order from the bar, and they will even call your room when the food is ready. The pool area has some extra toys there, some ping pong and cornhole or bags, and then the pool. Yeah, I know you're excited to get in, buddy. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this up so little man can get in.
So the pool does have a zero entrance that even little man can walk through.
Probably no fewer than 100 questions of if you can walk from the Holiday Inn to Disney Springs. And the answer is absolutely yes. It really is not that bad of a walk. It's just over a half a mile. I'll show you how long it took here with a little insert of the wife's Apple Watch. It really isn't bad at all. We've actually figured out it is far easier to just walk than to actually pack up the car to go around the corner, then find a parking spot, and then get little man out and get the stroller out, and then go through the temperature check and now security check. So overall, you've got the pathway the whole way, and then when you actually get to the road, there are a couple elevators that you take, and you can go up and over the roads that way. And then it pops you right down into Disney Springs, and you're able to get into Disney Springs at Earl of Sandwich, walk around, and it is absolutely a fantastic way to do it. We will probably never drive from the hotel to Disney Springs again. That also makes it way easier if you just want to grab a bite to eat at night after the parks have closed to just go over to Disney Springs. Overall, our experience at the Holiday Inn Disney Springs has been a fantastic one. The people are always really nice, and the location, well, you can't really beat it. Overall, if you're not going to stay on property, this by far and away is one that I would recommend.